Welcome to eRepair. So I have another random repair video. So this is an Acer laptop that came from a skip. It was very much a find. All I've done is ordered a couple of bits for it, just on first look. So I've not actually done any testing or powered it on or anything yet. So you'll see why I've ordered a couple of bits already in a second. So it does need a little bit of work, just at first glance. So I'll show you what I've got and we'll go from there. So obviously you can see it's pretty gunky. I don't know if it was outside in the weather or not for very long, but I picked up, it doesn't look to be, there's no water damage. It hasn't got a keyboard, which is one fairly significant thing. So I've ordered a new one of these and I've got a charger for it. So let's dive straight in and take a look. So I haven't even plugged the charger in or anything yet, so I don't know what state it's in. Let me just grab it and we'll plug it in and we'll go from there. Just get this one plugged in a second. Sorry. Plug is in the most awkward of places. So, where is the charger? Charger's there. So, at first glance, we have no power. Let's unplug that one and pop that out of the way. And let's have a look and see what's going on. So it looks like above the keyboard comes out. So we'll just take that one out first. Doesn't look like there's any screws underneath holding it, but saying that, it doesn't actually want to come out. Just put it a bit more flat. Oh, there we go. There is a cable under there as well. Cool, right, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll zoom you in a bit. Just there. There's the connector that is not connected. So that's a good start. I'm wondering if this has been more apart than it seems on the surface. Let's just leave this out and just try the power again. Oh, it's alive. I didn't press anything then, so we might have a issue with power. I can hear it's making noise, but it's not actually doing anything. Let's try again. So I've got the lights on down the front here, but there's nothing coming on the screen. So something else is going on. Let's have another look. Let's pop that in a bit more permanently just so it doesn't move. Let's get the battery out. And we'll just undo the screws on this panel and see what's what. So this is obviously a Vista business, which is very dead. So as per my last video, I'll put Windows 10 back on it just so it's nice and neat. And then actually, I think this isn't really worth anything to me, so we'll probably just give this away on the channel. So yeah, we are missing our memory. There is a hard drive, so that's good. Fan looks connected, it looks nice and clean. Wireless card is all connected. There's a video connector here that you can't see on camera, but that's all connected as well. So I don't know, maybe someone's just attempted to repair or something and hasn't done it fully. Let me Let me grab some memory because I've got some that should fit this. This is, I reckon it's probably DDR2. So, just grabbing some memory out. Oh, what I got here. Actually, you know what this is? The stickers over the thing. So this is a whopping 2 gig of DDR2. Just make sure this one matches as well. Oh, I can't get that one off, so I'll just stick it on and see what happens. This will be memory that I've harvested from another laptop, so I'm not going to bother to button this back up. I will just plug the power in and we will see what happens. So it's not going to matter that it hasn't got a battery in it. Hey, it's alive. And it looks like it's got Windows 10 on it already. It's not fast though. Oh, it's frozen on me, which is not a good sign. Maybe there's something further wrong with it. Okay, let's take it back apart. So let's take this hard drive out. I don't know if there's a hard drive failure there, maybe. And I'm going to get a keyboard into it first. Actually, I'm going to put the hard drive back in a second. I'll get a keyboard in it first, and then we'll just check its settings and things and make sure there's nothing anomalous going on. In the worst case, I'll take the whole thing apart and just make sure it's not got any water damage or anything silly like that. So this is just a cheap eBay keyboard. Hopefully I can get the keyboard to go in. There we go. Clip down. Oh no. So we got the clips in first. Cool. I've got a couple of screws there that need filling in. Let me just grab my random screws of shame. This is my screw tray. See if that one fits. Slightly too big. That one. Cool. That's one. There's an Apple Mac screw. Another one. I'll try that one. That one might fit. Oh no, it does. Cool. Not the same size, but that will be fine. It's not going anywhere, and that's the main thing. Right. Let's just plug that power lead back in. Actually, it's not. Let's pop the hard drive back in. Again, I'm not going to button it up fully. I'll just drop it in for the minute. That power lead. Okay, move these out of the way. a look. Well, it's still loading, it's just taking a long time about it. Probably benefit from a solid state hard drive. Oh, that looks promising. I think it was just the fact that the keyboard wasn't connected that it was having a bit of a meltdown about loading up. Wow, it's loaded into Windows now, which is a good sign. Yeah, it does work. Just takes a little bit of time to get going. Well, I consider that to be a very nice little find. So what I'll do, I'll shut it down, I'll give it a clean, I'll get a nice fresh install of Windows on there, proper licensed one, of Windows 10, because I can't see a license sticker on here for Windows 10, so it might have been an upgrade, but I would think it's probably not genuine. And yeah, once we've done that, I will come back to you and you can see what the finished product looks like. So we'll get this buttoned up and then I'll give it a clean and get some fresh copy of Windows in, and I will join you again. So we are now back. It appears to be a nice little laptop really. It's a little bit slow, but works absolutely fine. The latest version of Windows 10 is installed, and that has made it a little bit quicker actually, weirdly. I've done all its updates, it's been cleaned. I took it apart a little bit further off camera and I blasted it out as well, so it's lovely and clean inside and out now, and it all seems to work absolutely fine. So yeah, I haven't really got anything more to say about it really. I'm going to give it away on the channel as a freebie, because it's not worth anything to me. It hasn't really cost me any investment except for a keyboard. So if it's something that you're interested in and you would like this laptop, then drop me a message. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, one of you lucky lot will have this in the post hopefully very soon. Thank you for watching.